everyone, what's up? Alright, so today I am unboxing a box from Bird Martinez. Yes, you heard that right. You are sweet as fuck. I'm gonna unbox this shit. Oh no! Okay, Bird, thank you so much for this lemon, but it didn't make it. Look, it's so gigantic, but guys, look how big this is. But it's really molded. But I'm gonna dig out the seeds and I'm gonna fucking save it. Oh, yeah, it's crazy. Look how big this lemon is though. Guys, look at how big a regular lemon. Oh, but that was so awesome. But I'm gonna save the seeds because I'm gonna plant it, trust me. Oh my god. Can you believe that? Okay, I'll be right back. And I'm back. What? What is this? Is this a plum? Bird. What is this? It looks like a plum or something. Or I don't know. Or a peach. No. Bruh, thank you. Oh my god, you guys, and I have more lemons. I'm gonna plant the seeds. And then I'm gonna grow them, and then I'm gonna send it back to her when they make babies. Aww, save the seed. Thank you, Bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Wait.
Bird gang. Yes, Bird gang gang. Hey Felicia, here's the Mamey Seed Water. You already get bomb hair. Shut up, I don't have bomb hair. Like, it's not shiny like you can. She's so funny. What the hell? Okay guys, this is the plum.
I don't know if it's a plum or not, really. This is like a grape and then this is like a plum.
Mmm. I love it, Bird. Whatever food. Dude, she's so sweet. Guys, guess what she gave me? This is the spray, the Mamey, M-A-M-E-Y, the seed water, the kind she boiled. Dude, and she put it in a bottle for me. You're so sweet. Girl, I was thinking I had to go buy one bottle, but you gave me my own bottle. Yes. So you know what that means. I really don't know. I know it's from a seed. She boils the seed. She boils the seed for about 45 minutes, okay? And then it comes like a peachy color, shishi color, a pea color. And then she sprays her hair with it, and then when she sprays it though, like it's shiny, like her hair is so shiny. Like, is that what makes it? Yeah, like my hair is dry, so maybe if this does it, like, you know.
My hair is like really dry.
Yeah, girl, we can spray for days. Look, she tastes it so good.
Mine just dry.
Ta-da! Mamey Seed Water. Mamey Seed Water. Bird. She fucking came through. Bird. Yeah, that's a seed. I'm gonna plant that seed, the plum or whatever.
Or whatever it is. This is okay. This is like an orange. Then this is.
Make sure no one throws it away.
This is like a. Yeah, this is like a plum or grape, and then it tastes like orange. The bird.
Yes. Yes, yes. Oh, there's still seed up in there. Okay, so. You just.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you know, because I see her when she make videos, she just spraying her hair and she talking. So I spray my hair and talk. Everybody.
He's spraying liquid.
You see, I try to make beautiful. Yes. Yeah, so she says just spray. You know, you just spray and then she style her hair, whatever. She just leave them in. Guys, I'm telling you, she's like a witch doctor. She makes her own brews of shit. But I'm gonna make sure, you know, I get all this shit saturated in so I can literally tell you guys what it did to my hair. Cause you know, 5 feet long hair. So, you see, while I'm still chewing the plum, you just spray, saturate. I think my dog is eating lemon leaves. Hey, brah.
He's yep, mine.
Yeah, he's eating lemon leaves. It's okay, it's okay. At the end of the day, Mamey got it. The Mamey Seed Water, you know, the Mamey. No, I don't know, but you know, whatever can help. You know, it's hard to look beautiful these days. And for sure, Bird's hair is shiny through their damn videos, guys. So I'm telling you right now, hit her up for some Mamey Seed Water or ask her how to make it, because I don't even know what this is. It looks like a fruit, and then she makes it into a water, and then she drinks it with like carnation milk or stuff like that. I don't know what. Thank you, Bird. Thank you, Bird. Bird gang, 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 bitch. You guys follow her, hit her up. Her link is in my description all the time. Aloha in the middle of ohia trees with my spray water for my hair. Hee-hee.